Hi everyone, this is Global FX. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to read the news based on my own understanding and based on my research. So most people has been in the market, they'll just see that market spike up all of a sudden and all that, but they don't know what's really happening and they don't know how to read the markets like the news. Trust me, news happen every day. News happens every day, but how do you read this news into your own advantage to see what direction the market is actually going for the day? So we have different news. We have the one for low impact news, we have for medium, and we have for high impact news. And most of the forex news you can use. First thing, I make use of my FX book, and I also make use of Forex Factory. So I'm going to be showing you guys now on how to interpret the news. Let's go, guys. So as you can see, guys, this is my FX book, and today is, as you can see, today is June 30, 2026. So you see, news happens every day. So how do you read this news? We have low impact news, we have medium, and we have high impact news, right? So how do you reduce? First thing first is so simple, in the fact that you have to go to my Forex Factory. This is my Forex Factory. As you can see, you go there to my Forex Factory. Why do I like using my Forex Factories? Because it really interprets the market they use for me in a way that anyone can understand. So there's what we call actual, and there's what we call forecast, and there's what we call previous, right? So how do you know how these things work? Let's take this for an example. We have an actual of 33.9%, we have a forecast of 31.8%, and we have a previous of 11.4%. And this is currency for JPY, right? So let's tap into this folder. Sorry, I don't know if you can see that, guys. So as you can see, it says here, change in the number of new residential building that began construction. Actual greater than forecast is good for the currency. Many people might be seeing this, but they'll be like, what does this mean? As you have seen right here, we have actual, we have forecast, and we have previous. So how do we know this is going to go well? For example, this actual, the one that happened at May 29, 2026, we have actual of 11.4%, and we have a forecast of 14.7%, and the previous one was 29.3%. But the one we have this 8 a.m. it was actual is 33.9, and the forecast is what? 31.8, and previous 11.4. And if you read that, it said if actual is greater than forecast, it's good for the currency, which means if USD JPY, you see, so if this actual is greater than the forecast, which it means JPY is stronger than USD at that moment. But if the forecast is greater than the actual, it means USD is stronger than JPY at that moment. But the news that come out today 8 a.m. shows that JPY is stronger than what? Than USD. So this indicates buy. If actual is greater than forecast, it's an indication for a buy. But if forecast is greater than actual, it means a sell. It means the currency pair is weak while the other one is gaining power. But if the actual is greater than forecast, it's opposite side. So that's all you need to know about how to read the news, and you can do your own research on how to read the news and all that. And if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, the link is in my bio. You want to start trading, you don't have money, you need a broker. I have like 3 brokers you can start with as low as less than $20. I have one as moment for $9. There's another one for $16, so on and so forth. So I'm going to be dropping a new video on my YouTube channel. I want you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, let's go, guys. That's all for that. Thank you.